What's up, folks? Science Morning Update, Friday, June 16th, Triple Witching Day, on the highs. Interesting. Small overnight range, 59 to 20 points right now because we're at just about 79. Your 70 level is really going to be your over-under. 39.40 is one stop, but I would assume if we dip down that this 24, 18, 17, 24 level is going to be, would be support. So if we came down, if we spiked lower on something, this would be the level I would look at. After that, I would probably look at the 89, 94, 93. Upside. Who knows? What a ripper yesterday, right? We dipped down, filled the gap actually, which was bullish, and then hiked up. So we ran up just about 100 points, just shy. So interesting move. This is real squeezy. We've just gone straight up. So you had a 27 low here, with a three handle, 43.27. Now we're damn near. That'd be funny if we got to 45.37. Anyway, upsides 45.04, ish. We'll go into the daily to look at that. You could say, yeah, right in here, 04, 05, 07. This node, and then the 28.30 level is going to be also substantial. That's your 78.6 retrace from all the way down here. So we've all made, look at that. This is this is real interesting because it's now everyone's bullish, and rightfully so, right? We consolidated and then we moved. I'll tell you right now, the buyers that are buying up here aren't doing it willfully. They're being squeezed out. This is still a squeeze. Again, I would like to see, since we hit this 43.09 and jetted right past it, I'd like to see this hit. If not, just double top us at the all-time high and then come back down. It's just a weird trade right now because there's so many reasons why we should be down here. And then we have reasons why we probably could be up here. So it's just very irrational. You just have to kind of not think about it, I guess. Sometimes some of the smartest traders are actually the ones who don't understand anything, and it keeps their head clear. 44.48 is your pivot. 45.04 R1, I really like that. And then 45.40 is a little high. I really want that 28.30 level. But this is also a target if we blow through that. And then 45.95, no way. I hope not. 44.12, 57.20. So we'll see. Again, I think that this 17.23 level, whatever, is going to be support. And if not, for sure, this 89.93 would be. So we'll see. I mean, that's a far way down at 70 points, 80 points, 75 points, excuse me. So if we open up above 85, then I think that that's going to be fairly bullish, and we could probably take off. I could see a squeeze today. Joey said before, if we have a pullback, we'll hunt to PCS. We have triple witching. Everything's coming off today. Monday's a holiday. I don't see them tanking it today. I think that there's too much optimism, and they're just gonna run this up, especially with options expiration. So any lingering short calls that are up here are going to be targets for all the securities. Here's your daily, straight up. Again, we haven't seen these levels for quite a while. Let's shorten that up here. There we go. So, we're back into levels from, April of last year. Speaking of those levels, your high was 45.12 here. So that's something to look at. That's extreme. But your close was 93. So that's something to look at as well. Another SPX number. So 93 would be another target to see. We'll see if we open up. We're up 7. Dow's up 22. NASDAQ's up 48. Euro bounced right off that, held basically that 107 level, and it's back up. I would assume we're going to hit 110 here. This has been interesting. So if this level 103 holds, we could get kind of a head and shoulders, or this is just going to keep going and we're going to hit up to 12 half for, that channel resistance. I don't know. Everything's weird to me. I don't have, and I haven't had a good read on the market probably in the last few months. It's just everything's just kind of wonky to me. So I've been trading lightly, just kind of hanging out, watching price action because that's what I do when when I'm not sure. And I'm very confident that this structure will change at some point and we'll get a clear shot. But I think today could be basic if we just get a down pull. 10 p.m.'s UMISH. It's really the only number coming out, or consumer sentiment. So we'll see if that moves the market. And then other than that, premiums are going to be dog shit. VIX is going to be low, so we're going to have to get close. Again, pick your spots. You got to be right because any movement with low VIX is going to pop it, and you're going to be at a stop decision right away. So just make sure you're waiting and picking your spots well. I would probably trade a little lighter unless you see good opportunity. Then if you're confident about the trade, then make it. Other than that, I don't know. I'll be in the room all day. It should be an interesting day, and we'll see if there's more FOMO to go and more call squeezing as well.